should have known very early on that life with you was going to be an adventure. Because as many people in this room know, Maddie was 15 minutes late to our first date.
Allegedly, I'm marrying a lawyer, allegedly.
I vow to you that I will always be your adventure buddy. That I will explore this big, beautiful world with you and create memories that will last forever. And in the times that this adventure turns stressful or complicated, I promise that I'll be patient and kind and always wait for you like I did during our first date. Maddie, I love you the entire universe, and I vow to live my life with you forever.
And being with someone wasn't really in my plans until I met you. They say to marry your best friend, but you are so much more than that. You're smart, you're handsome, and so sexy. You truly are someone who came into my life, and every step of the way you've pushed me to be better. You're the person who challenges me, even when I don't want to be. It's how an ordinary day feels like an adventure when I'm with you. You are the person in my life who understands every side of me. The one who gives me butterflies just by walking in the door at the end of the day.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may soon your vows like this.
I'll stay by your side. The storms are raging. I will hold you close tonight, and I won't let go until the morning light. Oh, I'll stay by your side. I won't let go. I won't let go. I won't let go, I won't let go. I hope you know, I hope you know that I won't let go, I won't let go. I'll stay by your side. I will hold you close tonight until the morning.